Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enroll in Chase Bank's online banking services through your mobile app. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and type in Chase Bank. After that, download the app called Chase Mobile, and since I've already downloaded it, I'll simply open it. And here it'll show me the login box, but since we are not yet enrolled, we'll simply tap on the option sign up, which is right over here. And here you'll have to select your account type. After that, you'll have to enter your username, and once you've followed all the steps provided to you, you'll be successfully enrolled in Chase Bank's online banking services through the mobile app. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.